Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're taking something that usually feels like a massive chore, hunting down your Huntington bank statements, and we're going to turn it into a fast, empowering, and super secure digital breeze. Seriously, whether you're managing your personal finances, tracking business expenses, or just gearing up for tax season, mastering your bank's digital interface is an absolute game changer.
You know that feeling, right? We have all felt that exact panic. You're sitting there trying to map out a family budget, and suddenly you realize you're missing that one key piece of paper. Digging through filing cabinets or waiting on the mail is just incredibly stressful. But digital banking, it offers a perfectly convenient solution. It literally gives you complete control over your financial records from your couch 24/7.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap. Today, we'll cover the real value of your statements, how to set up online banking, the exact steps to navigate and download, troubleshooting those annoying browser issues, and finally, securing and using your data. All right, moving right along to Section 1, the value of bank statements. So what exactly is it? Well, the crucial point here is that this document is your official financial record. It's a snapshot showing your opening and closing balances, your processed deposits, deductions, and any interest you earned over a specific period, usually a month. Just keep in mind, it notably excludes any pending transactions. It only shows what actually cleared. And having these records at your fingertips is huge. You need them to monitor for any suspicious activity, so you can catch unauthorized charges early, right? Plus, they're essential for balancing your checkbook, tracking your spending, and proving your financial activity for loans or tax prep. In fact, financial experts actually recommend holding onto these for up to 7 years. And that right there is exactly why a digital archive is vastly superior to cramming a bunch of paper into a desk drawer. Which brings us to Section 2, setting up online banking. Let's get you logged in. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry, it's super easy. You simply visit the official Huntington Bank website and select Apply Online or Enroll Now. The system is going to guide you step by step to create your secure login credentials, meaning your username and password. And just like that, these simple steps securely connect you to the portal. No more driving to a physical branch just to check your history. Awesome, now for Section 3, navigating and downloading. Once you've got your login, the process is beautifully straightforward. First, log in. You'll land on what Huntington calls the hub, which is basically your central financial dashboard. From there, just click on the specific account you want to look at, like your asterisk-free checking. Inside that account menu, you'll spot a tab clearly labeled Statements. Click that, pick your time period, and hit Download PDF. Literally 4 easy clicks and you're done. And what's really fantastic about this setup is that Huntington readily provides 24 months of paperless statements directly in the portal. Yep, that is 2 full years of your financial history, neatly organized and ready to view or download in seconds. But hey, maybe you're going through an audit or doing some heavy-duty tax prep and you need older records. No problem. Huntington's system actually holds up to 7 years of your statement history online. That means you can pull those historical PDFs yourself without ever having to call customer service or pay annoying retrieval fees at a branch. Let's transition into Section 4, troubleshooting download issues, because sometimes technology just likes to test our patience. Have you ever clicked a download button and absolutely nothing happened? Or maybe you just got a completely blank page. A lot of times, people think the bank's website is broken, but honestly, it's usually just your browser's security settings getting a little too protective. Luckily, you can bypass these blocks instantly. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Chrome and get a blank page, try opening an in private or incognito window. If it works there, you've probably got a rogue browser extension. For caching errors, just hit Ctrl plus F5 to force a hard refresh. If your PDF refuses to open, try temporarily disabling your ad blockers. They often mistake the bank's secure PDF scripts for annoying pop-up ads. Oh, and definitely make sure your browser is set to allow pop-ups for the Huntington domain, since those downloads often trigger in a brand new window. All right, finally, let's cover Section 5, securing and using data. Listen, financial data requires absolute trust and rigorous protection. Never, ever download these PDFs on open public Wi-Fi unless you're using a highly secure VPN. Also, please turn on two-factor authentication. That means you'll need a text or email code along with your password to log in. It's a massive security boost. Experts also say you should update your strong, unique passwords every 60 to 90 days. And lastly, turn on Huntington's fraud alerts so you can catch any weird activity the exact second it happens. By the way, choosing to enroll in the paperless preferred option in your account settings is highly recommended. Not only does it instantly eliminate physical clutter and paper waste, but it's fundamentally more secure.
Paperless statements protect your personal info way better than physical mail, which can easily get intercepted, lost, or just delivered to the wrong address. And here is a real pro tip for anyone looking to take their budgeting or business accounting to the absolute next level. You can actually use third-party tools to completely automate your data entry. Since Huntington gives you these standard PDFs, you can download a batch of them, upload them into a specialized extraction tool like DocuClipper, and instantly convert all those transactions into an Excel file, a CSV, or even directly into QuickBooks. Zero manual typing required. How easy is that? Just a quick heads up before we wrap things up. Online banking interfaces are constantly evolving to make things better and more secure. So, while everything we've covered today is highly accurate right now, always remember to check Huntington's official website for any future updates or changes to their procedures. Think about it. You no longer have to wait on the mail or stress out over losing a document. Take that first step today. Log into your Huntington account, navigate to the hub, and try downloading a PDF statement for yourself. See just how simple financial autonomy can truly be. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and definitely share this guide with anyone else who could benefit from a little digital empowerment.